Welcome back to my channel for a new recipe. Today I am making a delicious vegetarian brown lentils in a spicy Moroccan tomato sauce. This dish is so flavoursome and so filling that you won't be missing the meat. If you are new to my channel, press on the subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Click on the like and share my videos with your family and friends. You will find the list of all the ingredients in the description box. You're going to need 200 grams of brown lentils washed and drained. If you want the lentils to cook more quickly, soak them for an hour. Then 1 onion and 4 garlic cloves, 2 tomatoes cut in quarters, 2 grated carrots, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander and parsley, 1 teaspoon of harissa, chili paste, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of paprika, a quarter teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 cubes of frozen spinach or 200 grams of fresh spinach if you have some at home, and 1 liter of hot water. First, in the chopper, add the onion, the tomato cut in quarters and the garlic cloves and chop until it becomes a puree. If you don't have a chopper, you can use a cheese grater or a vegetable grater. In a hot pan, add the olive oil. Then add the chopped tomato, onion and garlic and stir well. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato passata, stir and cook for a few minutes. Then add the salt, the black pepper, the turmeric, the paprika, the ginger powder, the cumin powder, the coriander powder, the tomato paste, the chili paste, the chopped coriander and parsley, and stir everything well to combine all the ingredients. Then add the grated carrots and stir. Add the brown lentils, stir well, cover and cook for a few minutes. Then add 1 liter of hot water, cover and cook for 30 minutes or until cooked. When the lentils are cooked, add the frozen spinach or the fresh one depending on what you have at home. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning to your taste. Mine needed some salt, so I added half a teaspoon of salt. Then cover and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Et voila, our delicious and hearty lentils are now ready. You can serve them with a nice warm homemade bread. If you want to know how to make homemade bread, click on the link in the description box. Bon appétit! If you like the video, like and share with your family and friends, and before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, it's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time with a new recipe.